Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Laudrynbasket 3 section is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any modern household, offering a streamlined approach to managing your laundry needs with its intelligently designed compartments. This product aims to revolutionize how you sort, store, and transport your clothes, making laundry day less of a chore and more of an organized, efficient process. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful layout are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while keeping your living space tidy and your laundry perfectly separated, from delicates to heavily soiled items. Number 5. Storage MANIAC 3-section laundry sorter. This laundry sorter is designed for families. It features 3 separate bags, each with a generous capacity, allowing you to handle large loads of laundry with ease. Need to take your laundry to the machine? Each bag lifts out easily thanks to its sturdy handles. The waterproof lining makes cleaning a breeze. Moving your laundry around the house is simple with its heavy-duty casters. Plus, 2 of the wheels lock, so it stays put when you need it to. Built with a strong, rust-resistant frame and reinforced supports, this sorter is made to last. It remains stable even when fully loaded. Pre-sort your clothes by color or fabric type with its 3 compartments. This helps keep your laundry area, bedroom, or bathroom tidy and reduces stress on wash day. Looking for replacement bags? You can easily find them by searching for the product code B0989YD7G8. What we like? This one boasts a massive 135L capacity, perfect for large families. Its removable bags with waterproof lining make laundry day a breeze. If you have a big household and need to manage a lot of laundry, this is the one for you. What people say. The laundry basket is sturdy and well-made, with a durable frame that holds its shape even when full. The 3 separate compartments are perfect for sorting laundry by color, type, or load size, making laundry day much more efficient. The basket is lightweight and easy to carry, even when full, thanks to the comfortable handles. Number 4. VASAGLE 3-bag laundry sorter UBLH301G01. Tired of laundry day chaos? This laundry sorter makes organizing your clothes a breeze with 3 distinct compartments. The top shelf offers extra space for your laundry essentials or decorative items. Its slatted design also helps keep things fresh by allowing air to circulate. Each bag is designed for convenience, featuring a supportive bottom panel to prevent sagging. Easily detach them for washing thanks to the simple hook and loop fasteners. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and a robust shelf, it's built to last. The water-resistant bags and adjustable feet ensure stability and longevity. Perfect for your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom, this hamper adds functionality and style wherever it's placed. What we like? This hamper offers a unique slatted top shelf, providing extra space for organizing or displaying items. The breathable design helps minimize odors. If you appreciate multifunctional furniture and want to keep your laundry area tidy and stylish, this is a great choice. What people say. The laundry basket is sturdy and well-made, with a durable fabric that can hold a lot of clothes. The 3 separate compartments are perfect for sorting laundry by color or type, making laundry day much easier. It folds flat for easy storage when not in use, which is a great space-saving feature. Number 3. YUELAN 240L 3-section laundry basket with wheels. Introducing the YUELAN laundry basket, designed to simplify your laundry routine. Its large capacity and multiple sections make sorting clothes a breeze. Crafted with a durable iron frame and 6 stabilizing straps, this hamper is built to last. It can hold up to 50 kilograms of items, from blankets to toys. The waterproof lining prevents unpleasant odors, keeping your laundry fresh. The 3 separate sections allow for easy separation of lights, darks, and colors. Equipped with heavy-duty casters, including 2 with locking brakes, moving your laundry has never been easier. Transport it smoothly to your laundry room. Assembly is straightforward and takes about 20 minutes with the included tools and instructions. Cleaning is as simple as wiping it down with a damp cloth. Made with sturdy 600D Oxford fabric, this hamper is designed for long-lasting strength, perfect for daily use by individuals of all ages. What we like? With 5 horizontal bars for superior frame stability and 3 side pockets for small items, this hamper is built to last. It's also designed for easy assembly. If you need a robust and organized solution for your laundry, especially in a dorm or shared space. This is a solid pick. What people say. The laundry basket is sturdy and well made, with a durable fabric that can hold a lot of clothes. The 3 sections are great for sorting laundry by color or type, making laundry day much easier. It folds flat for easy storage when not in use, which is a great space-saving feature. Number 2. Greenstell 130L 3-section laundry hamper. Discover the beauty of handwoven design with our durable synthetic rattan hamper. Each piece is uniquely crafted, waterproof, and features adjustable feet to keep your clothes off the floor. Its natural finish complements any decor. This hamper offers generous inner space with options for 2 or 3-section liner bags, making it easy to sort your laundry. A sturdy wire frame and convenient handles ensure it's both functional and stylish. Keep your laundry routine simple with detachable and washable liner bags. The included mesh bags make washing delicate items a breeze, while the lid keeps everything tidy and out of sight. Designed to be your ideal home companion, this hamper easily holds up to 130L of clothes. The liner bags are secured to prevent slipping, and the included mesh bags simplify laundry separation. Setting up is a breeze with the included tools. Its large 130L capacity and sturdy construction can handle up to 110 lb, making it easy to move your laundry wherever you need it. This hamper is more than just a place to store clothes, it's a stylish and practical addition to your home. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized living space with this thoughtfully designed solution. What we like. This hamper features beautiful handwoven synthetic rattan, adding a touch of style to your home. It comes with 2 types of liner bags and extra mesh bags for versatile sorting and washing. If you value aesthetics and need flexible laundry solutions, this unique piece is ideal. What people say. The laundry basket is sturdy and well made, with a durable fabric that can hold a lot of clothes. The 3 sections are a great feature for sorting laundry, making wash day much easier. It folds flat for easy storage when not in use, which is perfect for small spaces. Number 1. Greenstell 125L synthetic rattan laundry hamper. Discover exquisite craftsmanship with our handwoven laundry hamper. Made from durable, waterproof synthetic rattan, each piece is unique and built to withstand daily use. Adjustable foot pads keep it off the floor, and its natural design complements any decor. This hamper offers generous interior space, enhanced by a sturdy wire frame. It comes with versatile liner bags to help you sort clothes by type or color, keeping your living area neat and organized. With detachable and washable liner bags, transporting laundry is a breeze. The included mesh bags make washing delicate items or small garments simple and effective, keeping everything clean. This large capacity hamper easily holds up to 125L of clothing. It's perfect for everyday use, simplifying storage and even assisting with moving or travel needs. Assembly is straightforward, and its generous 125L capacity handles large loads with ease. The convenient handles allow for effortless transport of clothes and linens between rooms. Keep your home tidy with this stylish and functional laundry solution. Its thoughtful design and ample capacity make laundry day less of a chore. What we like. This option also features attractive handwoven synthetic rattan and a convenient lid to keep laundry out of sight. It offers versatile liner bags for sorting. If you're looking for a stylish hamper that discreetly hides your laundry and complements your decor, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The laundry basket is sturdy and well made, with a durable fabric that seems like it will hold up over time. I love the 3 separate compartments, which make sorting laundry so much easier. It helps me keep lights, darks, and delicates separate without any extra effort. The design is sleek and modern, fitting in perfectly with my bathroom decor. It's also surprisingly spacious, holding a good amount of laundry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.